It's the KENWOOD EXCELON DDX9905S. It's a 7-inch display that comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay with dual camera inputs, front camera as well as rear camera. Built-in HD tuner, Bluetooth, CD, and DVD as well. It also has the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionalities we were talking about. So it comes with 2 extensions. It comes with the black one for the Apple CarPlay and the gray one for Android Auto. This unit also will do wireless Android Auto with 2 compatible Android phones from the Pixel lineup. The other things that this unit also includes is the GPS antenna for the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comes with a Bluetooth microphone, power harness, and those USB extensions we were just talking about.